I invite Dr. Mini Vijayan to join Director Dr. Goswami and Dr. Disa on the dais. I request Director Sir to welcome Dr. Vijayan with a bouquet of flowers. Dr. Mini Vijayan is an Associate Professor at the Department of Botany for Kamal College for Women, Margao, Goa. She has served the college for 27 years, and in the year 1999, Dr. Vijayan obtained her PhD for the topic Vegetative Anatomy of Liliaceae. I now request Dr. Elridge Disa, ex-director at IO, to kindly release the booklet. Thank you, sir. As we have now come to the end of the program, I invite Dr. Rahul Sharma to propose the vote of thanks.